Make a photo with Google Gemini. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you step by step how to create a photo using Google Gemini. Let's get started. First, access Google Gemini. If you're on Google's search bar, just type Gemini, hit enter and click the first option. I'm on Google Gemini now. In the Ask Gemini box, describe the photo you want. I'll type, create a landscape of Christ the Redeemer. It's simple and quick. Now click on the image option. See where it says Generate with Image? There's a banana icon next to it. Click that option, then click to submit. It's generating now, and done. The image is ready. See how fast Google Gemini works? Leo, I want to make a montage with 2 photos. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible, folks. Click on the plus sign at the bottom to add files, which in this case are photos. Choose from your computer, click Upload Files, or if they're on Google Drive, click Add from Drive. I've added 2 photos. What's next? I'll write a prompt to combine these photos. I've used a basic command, create a montage with the 2 attached photos showing people hugging. The Generate with Image option is here. Just confirm. Notice how simple the command is? You can do this with more photos if you want, 3, 4 or 5. Here's the montage of the 2 photos with people hugging. So here it is, folks, a photo of me with a blue pen. If you want a white or blue background or a specific landscape, just type it in the command. It's really simple to make montages and create photos with Google Gemini. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking the Thanks button and contributing any amount. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.